Sir, what is your zip code?
60643.
How did you hear about Chatham Comfort Controls?
I got them out the phone book.
Okay. Can you tell us how your experience was with them doing service for you today?
It was very good. They got in, did the work, and they're finished in faster time than I thought.
So they were professional and thorough.
Yes.
Would you recommend Chatham Comfort Controls to friends and family?
Yes.
Would you recommend Chatham Comfort Controls to friends and family?
Yes.
Would you recommend Chatham Comfort Controls to friends and family?
Yes.